Hi friends, I'm Sapna Agarwal, Creative Director at ANSA Architecture and Interior Design Consultancy. And today we are at Vikaspuri, जहाँ पे हमने टॉप फ्लोर बनाया था और इसके ऊपर एक टेरेस एरिया भी है, जहाँ पर आप इस पुराने घर को नया हमने बनाया, रेनोवेशन प्रोजेक्ट था. But you must have a look at this. It's just amazing how the 3 BHK home has come out today. Please have a look. Thank you so much, friends, for watching this tour of the home. And if you have any questions that you want to ask, just leave it in the comment section below and we are sure to answer that back. For now, we'll see you next Wednesday with something new, something novel, something more interesting. And for any kind of architecture and interior design consultancy, you can contact us on www.ansainteriors.com. See you.